Are one of the coldest spots here in western Oregon, right in the southern Willamette Valley. Although in Corvallis, you're not much warmer at about 24 there. Still below freezing in Roseburg, Medford at 23 this morning, and Portland is just barely above freezing at about 34. When you head east of the Cascades, it's a whole other variety of cold down into the single digits and Bend negative. When you head to Lakeview and over into Burns, just zero this morning for the folks waking up in Ontario. Now, when you head out to the coast, it's mid-30s for you folks, and that will be the warm spot to go today as you continue to warm all the way back into the upper 40s and low 50s. In the valley, though, it's cold. It's also foggy. You see that dew point not far behind it, just 19 degrees. The wind is calm, and that's helping the fog stay put here in the valley as well. Visibility not bad when you head out to the airport at about 7 miles per hour, but that's jumping up and down. It's been as low as a quarter of a mile this morning, so we are seeing some different patches of fog around town. When those patches move over roadways, especially overpasses and bridges, we start to see that freezing on the road. So we're seeing some icy roads as well this morning. Now we are continuing to see clear skies here across the entire state. A weak little storm, though, just now starting to push inland. In fact, we're seeing a little bit of light rain when you head down into northern California. That's going to continue to lift to the northeast throughout the day. As it runs into the cold air, especially that's bottled up in the gorge and up in the northern Cascades, they could get some freezing rain later on tonight. So freezing rain advisory is in effect for the northern Oregon Cascades and for that stretch of the gorge just at about Troutdale into the Dalles. So if you're headed that way, you want to be prepared for that. For us, though, we'll just see a little bit of light rain later on tonight as this area of low pressure pushes inland. It is pretty weak, though, so I'm not expecting much. Now, as we look further into the Pacific, we do actually have several storms lined up. But check out this jet stream. It splits with taking half of the energy up to the north, the other half down further south into Southern California. We're going to get caught in the middle. So the storms that pass through here this weekend will just barely get clipped by a few light showers possible Saturday night. Otherwise, we'll stay dry until we see a more organized jet stream bring us some better chances for rain early next week. So for the coast, highs will be in the upper 40s and low 50s today, so still rather warm for you. You'll see a few showers late in the day, a little bit windy also. Ahead of this storm, you'll see winds from the south, gusts up to about 30 miles per hour. It's going to be dry on Friday, a few scattered showers there Saturday, again Monday, with better chances for more widespread rain Tuesday and Wednesday. The coast will see highs in the low 40s today, mostly cloudy, rather the Umpqua Basin. You'll see your highs gradually climb back into the upper 40s this weekend, even a few low 50s as we head into early next week. The Cascades topping out in the mid 30s, becoming cloudy as well there this afternoon. Should stay dry, though, through tonight. Central Oregon looking at low 30s. You're also going to stay cloudy. Could see a little bit of light drizzle, which could freeze when it hits those surfaces below freezing, especially in the northern areas. We'll see low 20s tonight, dry through the weekend, and then you'll start to see those storms rolling in on Monday. And for the valley, highs will be in the upper 30s. We're starting out with the fog. We'll see those clouds move in this afternoon. Just a few isolated showers tonight. Back down close to freezing tonight and the next couple of nights, but we'll see our high temperatures gradually get back into the mid 40s.